Hi, science classes. I'm going to be here for all of you today. So the plan for today, hopefully yesterday, all classes had the same agenda for the day. You were looking at going through the work for finishing up your maps, doing that Kahoot, after reading the article, getting some background information on volcanoes, and then taking a look at the vocabulary on volcanoes through Quizlet. So for today, we're actually going to be jumping into the formal notes for this unit. They've been shared out with you on Google Classroom, same way we've done in the past. It's a Google Sheets, Google Slides, where you have blanks in it, and they'll be filled in as we go through it together on the board. And so we are going to be taking a look at volcanoes, a little bit of animation to it, a little bit of some musical clips to it, trying to keep it more interesting than just your boring style notes that you might typically get. If we get through everything and we got some time, we'll go ahead and do a little Quizlet live at the end of class. But I don't want to power through the notes just to get to that. I just want to put that out there as a possibility so you don't think, hey, yeah, we just got notes and there's nothing good possibly coming as a result of it. I see the turn-in bins are pretty full. Looks like most people got those maps in. I will get them taken a look at and get some grades in for those. I know some of you are concerned about getting grades up to date and that kind of thing. Primary thing, I want to remind everybody, formatives, which those maps are, which the Kahoot is, which like anything we do in class is, except for notes. I don't need to see your notes. I don't grade notes. Formatives are out of 8 points, that omelet scale, the same one that's right down here. It's also in the back of the room by the computer cart. And that is 30% of your grade. Your tests, your quizzes, however you want to call them. I usually call them quizzes, but occasionally I say tests. They're the same thing. Doesn't really matter. They are 70% of your grade. The quiz for this unit should be 24 points. So if we compare that, that's 24 times 70. You know, basically it's like 1,500 points. That's not an exact number, but it's roughly 1,500 points if you actually put the percentage into it and all of that. And typically during a unit, you know, you have like 6 or 8 formative assignments. So that's about 64 points, you know, 48 to 64 points times 30. So a lot less than what that test is worth. So you got to make sure to be doing the formative work so that you can do as well as possible on the test. So that's my soapbox for today. I know I soapbox a lot with you guys, but it's because I want you to do better, not just as 8th graders, but going forward and going into high school and going out into whatever college or career path you may go into, because everybody is going to be looking for you to be successful. So that is what I got for today. Happy Friday. You made it through the first week back. We've got 5 more days until it's a 3-day weekend. Happy Friday.